Now let us discuss the 55. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. When you read the question, is there negative form is present, you have to underline that negative form. Here the negative form is that incorrect statement among the following. They ask that incorrect statement. You have to highlight that incorrect. Now let us verify the given options. This question is also from basic NCERT book. Now let us discuss the first one. In an atom, all the 5 3D orbitals are equal in energy in free state. That means we know that the concept degenerate orbitals. In degenerate orbitals, all 5 orbitals are in equal energy. These are called the degenerate orbitals. So statement 1 is correct. And now let us discuss the statement 2. The shapes of dxy, dyz and dz orbitals are similar to each other. Okay, now let us see the structures of dxy. These dxy, dyz and dz orbitals are non-axial. Why? Because the bonds are present between the axial. They are not present on the axial. X and Y. Now let us say this is XY. Now let us see the YZ. This is Y and Z. The bonds are present in this way. This is called the YZ. Now let us see the ZX. Here Z and X. This is called the This is the orbital of Zx. We observe that dxy, dyz and dz orbitals are similar to each other. Yes, up to this one is correct. Now let us see the next one. The structures of dx square minus y square and dz square are similar to each other. We know that dx square minus y square and dz square are called the axial bonds. Why? Because the bonds present along the axials. Its structures are This is the structure of dx square minus y square. Now let us see the structure of dz square. The dz square structure is, this is the structure of dz square. We have that dx square minus y square and dz square structures are not similar to each other. So from this statement is incorrect. Up to this statement is correct, but this statement is correct. This statement is incorrect. So the total statement is incorrect. So the total statement is incorrect. So according to our question, the incorrect statement among the following is 2 is the incorrect statement. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer.